Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about KTC H27P22S 4K gaming monitor. So friend, it is designed to cater to high-end gaming needs with its advanced display technology. And friend, this 27-inch monitor features a resolution of 3840 by 2160 and support a high refresh rate of 160 Hz, ensuring smooth and detailed gaming visual. And friend, this panel utilizes an AUO 7.0 fast IPS type with each LED backlighting, which offers a color performance of 132% sRGB color space, making it suitable for both intense gaming and professional color work. And this monitor response time is rated at 1 millisecond, which minimizes motion blur and ghosting in fast-paced game. Additionally, it comes with HDR 400 certification, enhancing the dynamic range of the visual, thus providing greater detail in dark and bright image areas. And compatibility with both AMD FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync technology is featured, allowing the monitor is to synchronize its refresh rate with the output of a compatible graphics card to reduce screen tearing and stuttering. Connectivity options of this model are comprehensive, including two HDMI 2.1 port, two DisplayPort 1.4 connection, USB 2.0 port, and audio output. And friend, it also comes with an adjustable stand and support VESA mounting, offering flexibility in placement and ergonomic adjustment to suit different user preference and setup. And friend, price is set at 399.99 euro. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.